Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to design an full adder. Okay, that is called implementation of an full adder and its logic diagram. So the diagram what I had already drawn here is nothing but this is the diagram of an half adder. Okay, so here also you are going to have A and B as inputs and carry as well as some are the outputs. Now, by using this half adder, let us try to design an full adder. Okay, so the full adder is going to have the inputs as A, B, and next input is called carry input, and the outputs are sum as well as carry. So these are the two outputs we are going to have. Since we are having three inputs, 2 cube is equal to 8. 8 possibilities are there, and this is used in byte-wise addition. When you want to perform 8-bit addition, then we can use an full adder. Now coming to here, the implementation of logic diagram of full adder is first let's try to use the half adder. Okay, so we are having first input is A and another input is B, and by taking these two inputs you are going to perform exclusive OR operation. Okay, so when you perform exclusive OR operation, I'm going to get the first sum. Okay, this is sum 1, I'm writing it as A exclusive OR operation with B. So this is first I'm going to get, and the next output what I'm going to get is nothing but carry. So this I'm writing as a carry 1, which is nothing but product of A into B. So this one directly I'm connecting, and this I'm going to get A into B. This is an half adder, but I'm going to have and one more input. Okay, so that input let us try to draw with another color, then we can get an clarity. So here you can see here you are going to have three inputs. Now what happens is here we are going to use one more exclusive OR operator. So this is nothing but XOR logic gate. This is nothing but XOR logic gate. So the sum is one input and another input is this one. Here we are going to get an output where I am going to call it as sum 2, which is nothing but the exclusive OR of someone, exclusive OR of someone with the carry input, which is nothing but C input. Okay, so that is how we are going to have, and you are going to have an AND gate for these two. Okay, so first one is what, someone. Okay, type to take this someone and connect here, and directly connect this one also here. Okay, therefore you are going to have carry 2 is nothing but product of these two only. Here we had made exclusive OR operation. Here we are going to perform the product, which is nothing but sum 1 into C in, which is nothing but product. So that is how this is one half adder, and this is also one more half adder. So these adders are going to use the logic diagram. Okay, or they're going to this how to develop this logic diagram, or these full adders are going to use the logical operation operators like OR gate, AND gate, as well as XOR gate, and they are going to perform the addition. Therefore these adders are called full adders. Okay, now you can see here, and we have to perform the next thing is you have to take one OR gate, and here you are going to get the output which is nothing but carry 3. So that carry 3 is nothing but this is, take this carry as it is and take this carry also here. Okay, so this is carry 1 and this is carry 2, then you are going to get carry 3, which is nothing but carry 1 plus carry 2 is nothing but OR operation. This is nothing but, so you have to perform OR operation for the carries what you obtained in half adder, and for one more carry what you got in half adder. For these two you are going to perform an OR operation, then you are going to get carry 3. Okay, so this is how to implement an full adder. Okay, so therefore this is how we are going to get. So if I want to write down the overall equation, I can write down sum 2 is equal to sum 1 exclusive or of Cn. So what is sum 1? Already we have written. So this is nothing but A exclusive of B exclusive of Cn, which is nothing but the ultimate sum. Okay, and coming to the output. So what is the final output is carry 3. Carry 3 is equal to carry 1 plus carry 2. How to write down carry 1 is A into B. Already we written carry 1 is A into B. How to write down carry 2? So carry 2 is nothing but A exclusive B multiplied with C in. This is how you are going to get the carry. Okay, so we are having three inputs and we are having two outputs. So this sum can also be written in the format of a bar b bar c in plus a b bar c in bar, and next one a bar bc bar and abc. Very simple. One term will be left, ab completed, then bc completed, then ac completed, one is left normal, and resultant you add, then you are going to calculate sum. This is how we are going to perform an addition between the logical operators to develop an half adder as well as an full adder, and how we are going to get the output as this is one output and this is another output. This is where we are using an logical operators. This diagram is called an logic diagram implementation of an full adder. Already this is the logic diagram implementation of up to here, where this is called half adder. So very simple. Full means half plus half. Therefore, this is called addition is performed by adding two halves. That's why it is called full adder. This is all about half adder and full adder implementation. Thank you for your time. So if you feel the explanation is good, please give an like to the video and share the video with your friends. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel with the name KV Tulasi. Thank you for your time. We'll meet in another video. Yours Ram.